these natural qualities. We have all experienced these qualities when we were young. But as we grow up, we forget our natural qualities. Rather, we are forced to forget. Can we dream of a learning system where our natural qualities are encouraged for future sustainability of the individual and also our planet? Parisar Asha is Gloria's dream to change the education system to provide joyful learning for a sustainable future through the environment for the environment. Gloria D'Souza, a school teacher, created revolution in the history of Indian education with her not-for-profit registered trust, Parisar Asha. Gloria was the first Ashoka Fellow and has been awarded with international recognition as a social entrepreneur. Today, Parisar Asha is spearheaded by Ms. Aarti Savoor with a team of professionals from various national and international backgrounds. Parisar Asha is supporting public and private schools to provide affordable, joyful education at par with global standards.
Government says right to education. We believe at Parisar Asha right to right education. To support our educational institutions to provide quality education and also creative education, Parisar Asha has various unique programs. One of the signature program is Ecotech World School program, because what we believe that today the need is to be eco. Eco is not only your environment, but it can be also your economy, and tech is a technique to live life.
Ecotech World School program is a wholesome program to empower schools to address the challenges of 21st century educational needs while maintaining the fundamentals and identity of the school intact through its unique pedagogy of ESOL, Environmental Studies Approach Towards Learning. This comprehensive program provides global curriculum suitable for State Board and CBSE syllabus for nursery to Standard 7, detailed lesson plan guidelines, digital and traditional teaching aids, virtual classrooms, worksheets and workbooks, assessment and evaluations, teachers training to develop academic skills as well as soft skills, and parents orientation. In a nutshell, a complete support system to create tomorrow's successful, positive, global citizens. Parisar Asha continuously conducts innovative workshops for educators to keep them abreast with the latest kinds of educational techniques. School, teacher, and parent. These are very important factors in the child's learning process. To complete this chain and to address parental issues, Parisar Asha has launched a free helpline number.
It gives me great pleasure to be here at this global symposium on soul in education organized by Parisar Asha, which is taking government's initiative of right to education a step further by promoting right to right education.
एजुकेशन सिस्टम को थोड़ा सुधारे, थोड़ा क्रिएटिव ही बनाए, जैसी आपकी थिंकिंग है, तो मैं बड़ी खुश हो जाऊंगी क्योंकि आई एम अ पेरेंट टुडे.
बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज टोटली ऑन दिस मगी बैड करो. और मैं तो कई बार बोलता हूँ कि ये अपनी एग्जाम पैटर्न जो अभी है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की, ये हम बाहर करने पर है और इन वे वो 3 इडियट्स के हिसाब से वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग चतुर्लिंगम्स. लेकिन आई वांट टू प्रोड्यूस ranchos.
To congratulate the very creative team at Parisar Asha under Aarti Savur for the wonderful work they have done with children and the educational fraternity in these pandemic months. You know, the Parisar Asha worksheets, though I think worksheets is a very unkind word for Parisar Asha worksheets, helps the children to really think, reason, express themselves and put forward their own perspective. And when the teacher reviews the work, it's like going through a very special individual student experience. So it's much more than a worksheet. And these worksheets helped to keep the children engaged in a very fun way and learn in these very difficult times. And also for the adults, Aarti Savur had this wonderful program of webinars. Every Wednesday, the WOW webinars, and every Thursday, the Ask Your Expert webinars.
Parisar Asha's activities has been an enhancement for a practical training. With a challenging technology, the teaching learning process has given the opportunity for parents to be involved in the development of their children's progress. To conduct online classes, parenting sessions, video making, and worksheets has been of an outstanding dedication. We appreciate your exceptional achievements within a short span of time.
I'm happy to be associated with Parisar Asha over many years. This year, during the pandemic, we are faced with many challenges. However, Parisar Asha has been able to be the bridge over these challenges. They have reached out to children, parents, and teachers alike. For the children, they have organized various workshops in speech and drama, elocution, art, storytelling. For the parents and teachers, we have had webinars over many weeks, and experts have spoken to us, addressed different problems, and offered solutions too. For the teachers, there have been special workshops on Wednesdays, and the teachers have really been enriched by these workshops.
Basically a very comprehensive program, and they help us in other fields. They help us train teachers so that it is beneficial both for the school and the students. Parisar Asha also deals with problems of children, and they have a counseling center, which is a great help to us, especially in the COVID times. It has been very useful. They have helped us train teachers to get ready for online, and all said and done, Parisar Asha is family to all of us.
Parisar Asha believes in strengthening the foundation. That's the reason why Parisar Asha is trying to mold the pre-primary section. But as we know, 2020 is unlike any other year, given that Parisar Asha has been successful in designing the workshops and webinars for teachers to empower and support them in every possible way throughout the pandemic and conduct online classes.
Thank you, Parisar Asha. You have made the learning easy with your books and all your help. We had made this pandemic very comfortably to teach the students. Thank you, Parisar Asha. Thank you very much.
Parisar Asha.
Thank you, 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 Parisar Asha.
We need each other to change the world. In fact, to rediscover. Let's come together to provide a joyful learning experience to our students for a better and happy tomorrow.
We need each other. We need each other.
We need each other.
We need each other.
We need each other.
We need each other.
We need each other.
We need each other.
We need each other.
We need each other.